it's Ariel Coco. And today I am bringing you 3 inversion poses. So before we get into that, I would like to say thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. And I will be filming my Q and Ariel super soon and posting that up in the next few weeks. So if you have a question about me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. But if you have questions more about like my silk, I always put it in the description box that I have gotten both of my silks from arielessentials.com and I love them very much. So feel free to check it out on their website. And in the future, I will possibly be doing a giveaway with an Ariel silk. So subscribe so that you know when that is coming up. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first trick that I'm going to show you guys today is just an inverted straddle. So basically you're going to step behind your silk, put it right kind of like where your pants end. One of the main things with this pose is you don't want it too far up your back because that causes just a lot of pain, especially if you are not wearing like a shirt that covers that area. And also you don't want it too low because it's just really awkward. So you want it at like right kind of where your pants end on your hips, and then stand right under where your silk is, sit back on it so that you are kind of in a tabletop position. And then rock back. The most important thing to remember is to not keep your knees together and bring them through the silk here, because then you're not secured. You need to make sure to bring apart your knees so that you have this safety net right here. Right now I am totally safe. I'm not going anywhere, so it is okay to let go if you need to. You don't have to stay holding on. And then you're going to straddle out your legs and let go. Then you can hold on to your legs here, or you can bring it to prayer or stretch out. You can also bend one leg or the other and give a double stag on either side, or just keep it in a straddle. And then when you're ready, grab on the silk, drop your toes to the ground, and then stand up. The next pose I'm going to show you guys is very similar to a handstand. So you're going to come on either side of your silk and then step back so you're not directly underneath the silk. Lean forward, and then you're going to put the bottom of the silk around the base of your neck, and so that your shoulders are over it. So it creates a cradle for your head. And then reach your arms up, grab high on the silk, and then give yourself a little dip to stand up. Go into a tuck position, holding on to the silk so that there's not too much pressure on your neck. Stretch your legs up. And then from here, you can drop into the splits. From the splits, you can lean to one side, or lean back and bring your toes together. When you're ready to come down, just bring your toes down into a ball, look to the ground, and stand up. Now, the third trick is similar to the last one, but you are going to have your hands double wrapped. So you're going to start right underneath your silk and take your hands around the back so that it's going behind you, and then wrap your arms forward once, and then you can either grab here or you can wrap them around one more time, so it is wrapped twice. And then you're going to dip, lift up into a tuck position. You can straighten out. You can double stack your legs. You can also go into the splits and do the forward fold or backwards fold. Then when you're ready to come down, tuck and step down. Okay, so that is it for my video for you guys today. Of course, I have a few more inversion tricks that I can show you guys if you like those kind of tricks. I just wanted to keep this video super short. As always, I will have my Instagram and the link to where I got my silk in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!